Hello everyone. Okay, today we're going to have a look at a bit of a coolant leak that we've got on the TVR. Noticed it past few days, and it appears to be coming from the hose that goes from the water pump to the cooling radiator. So undoing the jubilee clip wasn't going anywhere. The worm thread has failed, and the clip just is not compressing the pipe, hence the leak. The metal isn't in the greatest condition, so let's rub that down and make a good seal. And there we go, nice and clean. And new jubilee clip fitted and tightened up. Now here we notice that the jubilee clip is touching the cap. However, on moving the clip, it wasn't stopping the cap from fully tightening, so that wasn't really an issue. Right, let's get this car started and check for any leaks. Yeah, that looks good. No leaks there. Excellent. Superb. And if you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon for another video.